Hi kids, this is Miss Olga, occupational therapist. Let's use our hands and fingers to play a game of hopscotch. For this activity you will need paper, marker, 2 pennies, tape, a jewelry box, or a cardboard square. When we finish, we open the Kinder Egg. Use the tape and secure your paper to the table. Let's use the box or cardboard square to draw the hopscotch. Hold the box with one hand and trace it with your other hand. Pay attention to your grasp. Use the numbers 1 through 10 to label your boxes. You can trace the numbers after your parents, you can copy mine, or you can write it by yourself. I'm going to make rainbow numbers. I'm gonna trace it one more time with using red marker. I'm going to trace it one more time using the blue marker.
Little red wagon painted blue. Little red wagon painted blue. Skip to my loo, my darling.
Let's mark the starting point. Trace your penny and don't forget to use 2 hands. We're going to use only 2 fingers for jumping. Let's try. Open your index and middle fingers and make bunny ears. One more time.
Texas 2 by 2.
Let's start with number 1. Place your penny in the starting position and bump it with your other penny so it lands on number 1. When you reach the box with your penny, you stop, pick it up, put it in your palm, and continue jumping. When you reach 9 and 10, you have to jump backwards. When you are back at 1, place your penny to your starting point. Bump your penny to number 2. When you reach 2, stop, pick up your coin, and continue jumping. Bump your penny to number 3. Number 4 is next. Next is 5. I'm going to keep trying until the penny lands on number 5. Let's bump it to number 6. Seven is next. To land on number 8, I'm going to try to push the penny. Number 9.
Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Cows in the pasture, moo.
I'm going to try to throw the penny so it lands on 10. That was a great game. Now it's time for Kinder Egg. It's an ornament in the shape of a ball. Thanks for visiting. I'll see you next time. Bye.